Welcome to Peace RWMT YouTube channel. We hope you enjoyed this video. We hope you are doing well. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so. Thank you. Alright, so we book up Mr. Bally right here. So what go on, Mr. Bally?
Eh?
What go on?
I mean, I put that give trouble sometime, you know.
Oh, well. So tell we look about up here, so.
Eh?
What then call up here, so?
A Sacramental.
Sacramental. I want to reach further up than call there, so then call Hill 60.
Oh, the place of Sacramental, but I seen 4 square come and come put them to 4 square.
Oh.
The red prairie is Sacramental. Sacramental and the 4 square land Sacrament.
Oh. Okay. So how we get Hill 60 now? How Hill 60 come?
Hill 60?
Yeah.
I don't. So Hill 60 original long time, you know.
Oh, long time, car.
Hill 60 a long time. After so a long time too. 4 square land Sacrament.
Yeah.
Sacrament go long right up so. Long all.
So the original name of Land Sacrament. Okay. Up here so cool, right here so cool. One piece of sun liquid down there so if you come up.
Man. One piece of sun different there so if you go down there so
yes.
Yeah.
Why just liquid if you come up, man?
Yeah, I tell you, man.
So here so.
Go up so near you little shade you go up so. But from there so.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, man.
You know here,
yeah, in Ghana bush.
Ghana bush.
Well, me I go bush too, but me just say me I go take a little walk up here so first.
Nah, listen, that bush.
So you say just a cool out here so. So you have no plant you want to show we?
Eh?
You have no plant you want to show we? We have banana here.
Plant anything?
Yeah. You want to show your farm?
That give me trouble when they
oh. Okay.
Tony just say, you know.
Oh, Tony had this?
Yeah.
Oh, me think of your yard.
No, not Tony. Me live up there so. And rest so he can park before they have me leave.
Oh, me think of your yard. I say you just a relax sucker.
Eh?
You just a relax sucker. So which way you head?
Then me and him sit down under there so.
No.
And this man live over there so.
So which part you head for now?
Eh?
Down so you head?
Yeah, me I go down the road there, but the sun hot, man.
Yeah, man, you have to cool off because the sun will knock you down. You have to walk with the water when you move.
Eh?
You have to walk with the water.
Water?
Yeah, man.
Sometimes we get water, sometimes we not get no water from one of the gully way around so.
Oh.
But the rain fall on the water, then sink, you know.
Yeah. The rain no did if no water come.
Yeah, I don't know where the water in when they say sink too.
Yeah, man, no water no did from a long time now. You was summer we don't have no water around here, no.
Good rain.
So wait, that same gully there water, you get the water from?
Yeah, man, if you get good rain, we fill up like everything.
Yeah, man, that's true thing. Water dry up long time around here.
Never bad for the place it water did all about last year. But this year,
that year I summer eat more. Last year it kinda did bad too, you know.
yeah?
Last year it did bad too, you know, but this year it worse. As we don't say.
Everybody when you come up here, let's go brown, you know. So, man.
Right. Terrible, man, he eat terrible. And we're glad for the rain when we get yesterday.
Yeah, cool, no bush.
Okay, you can't manage with the food problem.
Why food problem no easy. No man get the food problem, you know.
Yeah. You have to just go and take it easy and not pressure yourself. Alright, we ahead.
Yeah.
Up deal. Alright.
That too big guy this year, a push man.
Are you sure? Alright, Mr. Bally.
Yes.
Look what we have right here, so. We have
BC.
which BC that? Hibiscus. Hibiscus. Watch out, man. At them you need for ride come up on this hill. No, sir. Tony, you could loan me your bike. One piece of struggle we go through if you come up here so just a while. Lord of His mercy.
So what you do?
Video, we have video, yeah. Yes, this is Tony, a resident of, what are you saying him? Land Sacrament or Sacrament? Yes, a resident of Land Sacrament up here. So one time, what heap people usually live up here, sir?
One time I'm back.
Yeah.
People live up here one time I'm back.
People?
Yeah, people live. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. We'll leave.
Yeah.
Teacher Lee.
Mm.
Teacher Lee up and hill, so. Go here to then grow the bar cotton tree really.
Yeah. So why you people that move out? Why we not have less residents up here, so?
Not because the road, well, because everybody want to come off of the hill and go down.
Yeah. They want to go level, way easier.
We're here, level.
Can get taxi quick and half a fret.
Right.
And when you get old, it get hard for you to come up at them place, I don't.
True.
And no water.
No. Well, they get little water. Then they have the spring.
Yeah.
They have a spring up at top, they will then go. Simple, we take water.
So no set up piping and you run come down?
Yeah.
Oh.
There's the pipe. Oh, you couldn't see the light post there.
Oh. Give me this one, look here. Sitting down there, so.
Yeah, man. As it run for about days, man, they come down.
Oh. Yeah, man. So you want to give a tour of your place?
You're free to look.
You're not to give a tour, say, this is this and this is that. Alright, come, we're going to take a look. You don't have no dog?
No. Whoa.
Yes, sir. I would like your grass. Your grass look nice. So what you plant? Cause we can see like you have some whole heap of things here now. We see
lime and
sour sap and sweet sap and custard and all of them something there. And the mango tree, we see mango there on your tree.
yes,
them.
long mango.
Oh, that me I see. Long mango there. So you come from church?
Church. Right, it's a gungo, little gungo there, so. And you know, a yard, so and a bush.
Yeah. So you have your farm different?
Yeah, man.
Which way your farm?
Up the road.
Or up more?
You know what chaplain have place? No.
I don't know. Up here like that.
That's me have a mango palm tree.
Yeah, that me I notice.
That's a storehouse.
Yeah. Yeah, whole heap of sauce up, man. Me say me can zoom up this and show you the mango them. Long mango the palm tree though.
Yeah, man.
See there?
You can see me have any curtain there.
Long mango. And sour sap the palm the tree them. I could go look closer and see if we can see sour sap them. Yeah. So yes, here is a sour sap. And there's couple little ones on it. And more coming up. And we have a Jew plum tree right here. And copper pine. Yeah, as he mentioned, this is his yard. And just have a few things planted up in the yard. But he also has his farm where he does most of the planting. Yeah, man. So nice source up tree there. Key and every little thing. Look what we get.
Mango.
This is a great stop. What kind of mango this?
Turpentine.
So we get turpentine mango. The mango are nice, you know? Thanks.
Can't give him one.
Yeah. Thanks, man. So we are gonna make our way back. Me like you. What then call the flowers again? We have it a bloom. A piece and a piece lily that.
No, man, what you call it again?
I don't remember our name, but we have it a bloom right now. And we see you have a French time there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, the French time. It look like it's sun damage the French time, do you know?
Yeah, the sun.
Yes.
Yeah, there's green and the sun must be make it brown.
Yeah.
Hmm? Yeah, them bike yeah. A good thing for you. Come up this island. So Bally, you think you can manage one of them, eh?
Yeah.
One of them you have to go get to come up on the hill, man. Or you can't manage it.
You like bikes, I want you to take that here and you pan bike. You tell you come on for a bike.
Oh, you say you prefer walk, you can't manage your bike. You have to get on a 4-wheel one them man where you sit down more and more stable. We get mango.